Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you how we can create different types of the birds by following simple steps. First you just have to make this 8 shape that's going to represent the long tail of this bird, that's the peacock. Then the rest of the body of the peacock are also added like the antennae shapes we are going to make, and we are filling it with some of the bright colors so that it will look more attractive and more good. Definitely give this one a try. Let's move further towards our another bird. For this one, you just have to make this sleeping curvier line, and after that you just have to add the beak. You just have to add some of the feathers. This is again very simple and very good. You can just make a stalk over which this bird is sitting. Let's move further towards our another bird. For this one, you just have to make a shape that's similar to the round shape but not the round one. From the upper side, you just have to make a cylindrical one. It's going to represent a big fat hen. Don't forget to make the beak. It looks so cute and so easy. It's the cutest of all. We will now move further with our another word activity. You just have to make this crisscross line, and after that you just have to make use of the coins to trace down the circles, and then you just have to make rest of the features of this bird. Just pause the video so that you don't get confused and follow the each step in a sequential manner. Let's move further towards our another activity. For this one, you just have to make the curvier necky portion that's somewhat similar to the more S shape, and after that you just have to build the rest of the features like the wings by yourself. Let's move further towards our another activity. You just have to make a circle, smaller one. Inside it, you just have to add the features like the beak, like the eyes, like the antennae. In the background, we are showing all these cute little feathers. It's dancing peacock. Another activity, you just have to scramble some of the circular shape with this pink one, and then you just have to add the neck area, and you just have to trace on the number 4. It will represent its long legs of this flamingo. We will now move further towards our another activity. You just have to make some of the curves. Don't forget to make the wings like we are doing here. If we talk about the difficulty level of this type of the drawing, then it's a little bit difficult and best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. It's holding some of the leaves. Let's move further towards another type of the painting. You just have to trace down the number 222, and then you just have to make a stalk from the lower area. Then you can see how we are joining them one after the another. It's going to represent the two birds that are sitting over this branch of the tree, and then in the background add a cute small heart. For this one, we are going to make first the number 6, over which we are placing some of the lines that are going to represent some of the wings of these flies. Then we are making some of the eyes and the beak area. Fill it with the jet black color like we have done for the half of the body. Let's move further towards our another activity. For this one, you just have to make this round shape over which you have to make a small tiny beak, and then the rest of the features are also done. This activity is again very simple and very easy, best suitable for the small kids. Fill it with some bright colors. You just have to make some of the curvier lines as apparent here so that you can follow the each step properly in a sequential manner. You just have to follow the each step in a proper manner so that you will attain perfection. Thank you for watching.